Hey everybody, Carl Buckets here, and I recently got this old TV off of eBay. It cost around $170. It's a pretty interesting story, but I'll save that for another video. Today I made this mock EAS thing on DaVinci Resolve, and I think it would look pretty cool on this TV screen, so we're just going to go ahead and set everything up. Oh. Come on. And there it is. Alright. Let's see how this looks.
Several missiles have been detected traveling over the Pacific Ocean. They are estimated to arrive within 15 to 30 minutes. Possible strike locations may include New York City, New York, Los Angeles, California, Chicago, Illinois, Houston, Texas, San Francisco, California, and Washington, D.C. If you are within a 10-mile radius of these locations, please seek shelter immediately, such as a basement, bunker, or any other isolated area away from outside walls, windows, and doors. Have food and bottled water with you at all times. Leave all valuables behind. Attempt to stay in shelter for at least 48 hours to 14 days. Be aware of fallout. It is a radioactive substance that forms inside of a mushroom cloud after a nuclear explosion has taken place. It will be present around the areas where the missiles have detonated. Have layered clothing that can cover up your entire face and body. Remain calm. Wait for further updates.
Yeah, that looked pretty good. Oh, oops. Anyways, yeah, that was it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know what you want to see out of this thing. Alright, bye.